Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Sorry if I'm very quiet. I do not have a mic. I'm not that much rich. So, I started probably around a year ago and a couple months actually. I've been filming. Today I'm going to cook for y'all. Just know if I get very nervous or weirded out, it's because it's my first time baking whatever it's called, baking video. There you go. I have baked before. I baked a cookie, brownies, which I can't eat because I'm allergic to chocolate. Sucks for Halloween. So yeah, we're in my kitchen. My sister's home, if you're wondering. So yeah, we got a pan. I wanted to bake this, so I decided to film it. It's just bread. We're just making some bread. I wanted to try baking croissants, but these weren't croissants. So, yeah. Oh, wait, gnats. Yes, my kitchen is filled with gnats because apparently they just love our food. I do have y'all sitting on something, so if I'm moving it around, it's because of that. I film on my phone because I am not that rich as I was talking about. I was going to get a camera, but then I decided to get something else because the time I decided to get that I was allowed to get a camera was around Christmas time. Judge if you want to. I'm sorry. I'm trying to open this and I don't know how. I don't know. Forgot how to open these. I'm very much sorry that this is just. I'm gonna pause and figure out how to open this. Okay? I'll come back whenever it's opened. Okay, we're back and it's open, y'all. Now I gotta figure out how to get it out. Said I would come back whenever it's open, not out. So, oh fudge, it's tearing. I'm gonna go over here. Y'all are not gonna see me go over here, but you're on the charge because my phone was dying. So I would have you on the oven watching me, but my phone decided to go dead whenever I decided to make a video. Fudge, I forgot I had to butter the pan. I'm sorry, y'all. Literally, hold on, I'm gonna go butter the pan. Okay, I'm back and y'all are sitting on the stove now. Here's the pan, I buttered it. Don't worry, we might not have to cut. I'll probably cut while it's baking so it's not so long, Go watch TV because if I turn my phone off, then it just cuts the video and I don't feel like making a part 2 of this. Seam. Is it? Kind of tore my instructions off. Kind of forgot how to bake. Even though it was not last night, but the night before, I baked a peanut butter cookie, so I can't have chocolate chip because it's chocolate, so I'm just gonna pop over here and eat this cookie so you all can't see me. We have a minute left. Oh, no, Naruto. Hey, I really need to get started on watching it more. To put the lid back on the butter. Yeah, this is just sitting here, so. I don't know what to do. I have nothing to do. Rephrase, I actually do have something to do, so let me cut and I'll go get them. I'm back. I'm gonna show you some artwork. I done this today, by the way. Okay. Don't question it. I really didn't know what I was doing. I drew something on here with pencil, and this is a painting, like a canvas. This is a canvas. Why would I draw something on there and color it in with pencil? Even though I had paint. At the time, I had paint that I could have used. So I decided to paint over it. It was meant to be like a... I don't know what I'm supposed to bake this at. I'm gonna go get another one from the garage so I know. I'm back. You're supposed to bake 26 to 30 minutes. I'm gonna put it on 30. Guys, I don't know what I'm doing anymore. I need to go get my sister. Hold on. And she will not be showing. Clear. Okay. I figured it out. For safe cautions, I'm going to put it at 30 minutes. There we are, and I press start. We have 30 minutes to talk over this and also go get my laundry. I'll pause for that. But for right now, I'm going to finish showing you these art pieces. So I just explained this one. I don't know where I left off, and I don't think y'all want to hear me again. This is a big one, so I might have to stand back. It's flames. I'm terrible at drawing flames, if you're wondering. I kind of was like meant to show my emotions with this. The whole background was red. So, you know, anger, because I have a lot of anger. Just decided to draw flames because it ended up turning a brown in the background and stuff. If you hear that banging, it's this hitting the oven. I'm gonna go get my laundry. Pause. Hi, I'm back. Also, new hair. I got it permed. Except it doesn't look like that, and shorter. I love short hair, by the way, guys. So, you'll see that a lot. I don't know what I'm doing anymore. If I'm on 20%, I would go take y'all to do something, but I don't have anything to do. And plus my phone's on 20% and it goes dead very easily. I'm just gonna throw this in. Actually, to rephrase this, I can bring you all over to my little cookie stay. This little area right here. Fudge, my phone unplugged. Hi. We're gonna watch some videos. Not videos, I'm just gonna show you what I do in life. I'm supposed to be at school today, but guess what? I don't want to be having a self-care day. If the school's got something to say about it, they can say something about it. Okay. I'm gonna go get my computer, aka my mom's computer, where she's letting me use it. Hi guys, got Bonnie here. Look at him. And wanted to come along. Yeah, he wanted to come along. Actually made him a little cape. Okay. Why is it a security breach? Putting his cape on him, it takes a little bit. He has a big head. Good paint on him. I was painting earlier and I went, he's my favorite animatronic. Him and Bonnie. And now my favorite character of the whole FNAF series is Michael Afton. Yes, the one who got scooped. Who his father is the purple guy known as William Afton and Springtrap and all the other traps. So that's from Glitchtrap. Glitchtrap is his own self. So I'm being finished here for Halloween as Michael Afton. We can't find a purple button up, which sucks. So I have to use a purple long sleeve shirt and to roll it up. If it's not short sleeve, as long as it's purple and short sleeve, I'll be fine. And my dad's like, just get her a purple t-shirt. And I'm like, no. His sleeves need to be rolled up. And one of my best friends is being Chris Afton, and the other one is being Liz Afton, also known as Crying Child, and also the one who got killed by Circus Baby. Liz Afton is just a shorter name for Elizabeth Afton. My other best friend was gonna be Clara, but her mom doesn't allow her to watch that stuff, but she still plays with us with that because she loves it. Her mom thinks it's creepy and her brother knows what it is. And her brother's littler than her and not even scared of it. Oh. If this video is very long, I'm sorry. I'm actually gonna cut so I can watch some videos. And I'll get y'all whenever the bread's done. I was bored and I wanted to talk to you guys. It's at 19. I'm really gonna check it because I have not checked it, so give me a minute. It's not done, but I'm going to get me something to drink. Hold on here. I got me a drink. I'm gonna go over to the side. I'm good. Oh, just chug that. There's 17 minutes left. You're gonna hear me laughing probably, so I probably don't want to watch this. It's okay.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine.
I should have left you on that street corner where you were standing.
I'm gonna
But she did
do that so I can pull my mask on.
John Cena!
Do you ever look at someone and wonder what is going on inside their head?
I'm 24 and I can hit a note so high it'll
injured in an accident? Sucks to be you, I guess.
Hey, I'm sorry I didn't see you there. I was too busy blocking out the haters. Daddy? Do I look like...
That was my hand. I've seen it times. It was.
I'm just kidding.
This one's to end racism.
Fruit. Yeah. That's not healthy. Mom, get my nuts. Get my nuts. Field trip with a friend? No
Oh, yeah, he getting that. Low to the floor. Drop that back.
You know, I want to hear the funny thing. You want to hear the funny thing? It's like just a minute ago. It was 16 minutes and like 2 seconds, and the phone was like that, and the timer on the phone was like that too. It was like 15. Gonna go back to watching. Y'all probably just heard me laugh. If I burp, will I be accused of it? Please tell me. Because I feel like burping right now and I don't want to pause the video. Oh.
Get to Del Taco. They got a new thing called free shavacadoo. Free shavacadoo. Why are you crying? So how was the pasta? Oh, it was great. Send my compliments to the chef. All right. Hey, chef. Yeah. You have beautiful eyes.
Your lips together and blow. Like this.
Enlighten me then. I spelled lipstick in your Valentino.
Listen. Saw a video. Yes, it was Peppa Pig, but I'm just watching stuff. It's just repeatedly TikToks, okay? I don't have TikTok on my phone because I'm not allowed. She said to put your lips together and blow. I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna do it over here so it doesn't happen in the mask. So what happens whenever I do it?
No bag.
Oh, you spilled lipstick in my Valentino.
I like your accent.
Where you from? I'm Liberian.
Oh, my bad. I like your accent. Where you from? We're breaking free.
Watching FNAF vines. It's funny. Ugh, checking the bread. Yeah, no. I'm back. Me. Oh god, that's cute. Oh. Hey, Foxy. Moss on my face there. That's nice. Oh god. Dude. Let me get jump scared.
Oh, God.
Or not. But I want him to get jump scared, y'all. Someone get jump scared in here, please. Someone bite his head off. Except for Bonnie. Bonnie.
Hi, Freddy.
Hey, Bonnie.
Have you seen the night guard? He's not wearing his costume again.
Well, you know him.
Yeah, but we'll find him eventually. It's just difficult with that spare Freddy head he's been wearing.
Well, as you can see, he's nowhere around here, so why don't you go look elsewhere?
Night guard! I'm gonna kick your ass! Arr! Fucking ah!
Wait, you saw the night guard?
That's the night guard right there!
No, that's just Freddy.
No! He's doing that thing with
Dummy.
the spare Freddy head again! You know, messing with your facial scanners! Ah, damn it! If he's Freddy, why does he keep flashing that wretched flashlight in my face?
Well, obviously you're scaring him.
Scaring him? I'm gonna gouge your eyes out!
Foxy, calm down.
No! I'm the only one in this damn place who can see through that disguise! But Envoy, back me up here!
I don't really care if he's Freddy. I'm just trying to get my hands on his sweet, succulent AA batteries.
I've had enough of this! Show them you're the night guard!
That's a problem.
You know what? Where's Freddy? There can't be two Freddys, right? Freddy! Yo. Well, now we've got two Freddys in the room.
Cool.
Bonnie, oh my god, I will slap you!
Wait, what's going on here?
We're looking for the night guard.
He's the night guard!
Pretty sure that's Freddy.
Oh god damn it! You're Freddy!
Why are they all so dumb?
Where are you going?
Fuck this shit, I'm out.
I don't get what's confusing.
Bonnie, listen. Oh wait, what time is it? Oi, Mangle, what time is it?
It's about 5:59.
5:59? It be the night guard!
The night guard?
The night guard?
No! I'm Freddy! Right guy? Oh, God!
Guys, we have 8 minutes. Why is there a security guard in the burnt down place?
Well, shit.
So I'd be like. Also knowing I have sister location on my TV. What time is it? Guys, I'm gonna cut here even though we have like 7 minutes on the oven timer. It's just been like way too long. I don't think y'all wanna watch all of this. Guys, we just have a couple seconds. Like 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. My computer is haunted, guys. stop. Okay. Precaution, put on your oven mitts. No entire clue if this is cooked, guys. Kind of stab a knife in it. It's done. Make it taste good by putting some butter on it.